curl up by my pillow like a question mark in fur. One paw over your face like you're tired of this world. TV hums in the corner, but I'm watching you instead. Little whiskers doing cartwheels, dreams running through your head. My cat snores
like a tiny train.
Little rumble, little purr, rolling through my brain. My cat snores,
and the night slows down.
Every silly little snuffle is my favorite sleepy sound. You kick once at some monster that only you can see, then sink into my hoodie like it's meant to be. A sigh, then a stutter, that half purr, half groan. Funny how your quiet is louder than my phone. My cat snores
like a tiny train.
Little rumble, little purr, rolling through my brain. My cat snores,
and the night feels right.
Guess we're both just passengers on this drowsy, purring night.